Hello students, today we will learn practically how to install Mysql connectors to establish interface between Python and MySQL. So, what are the things which you have keep in mind to installing MySQL connectors? First thing, first step, first of all you have to check the whether your Python is working in a proper path. Second, installing MySQL connectors. To install MySQL connectors, your system having internet connections because this package installed online. So let us start. First, how to check the path of our Python that is working properly. So first step, first go to in your search menu and type cmd, and in cmd open with run as administrator. As our DOS prompt is ready, type cd backslash. With this we will come in the root directory, that is C directory. Now simply type here Python. Now if now press enter. Now if successfully display our Python shell, it means our Python is in a working proper path. So now next step, how to install a MySQL connectors. So as we are in the Python shell, now type here exit function to log out in Python. Now here now we are installing MySQL connector. To install my SQL connector we have studied, we have to use the pip install mysql.connector package to import MySQL connectors. So now this package help us to establish relation between Python and MySQL. So let us try. Type Python, then space dash pip install space MySQL connector, mysql.connector. Press enter. Now there is a typing mistake. We have a mistake of Python in spelling. Python. Now it will take some time. So we have again error that it will asking to upgrade, but pip command. To upgrade pip, we will simply write here Python space dash pip install space double slash, it is also known as dunder, upgrade upgrade space pip. Now it will upgrade our system, so it will take some time. If the internet connectivity is good, then it will install immediately. So our now our pip is upgrading. It will taking some time, so wait for some time. As you can see here, downloading https files.pythonhost.org package. This is the location. Now it will taking successfully uninstalled. Now it will upgrading our pip command. So for your kind informations, I have already installed Mysql connectors package. So it is successfully installed. So now again try python space -m pip install, but mysql dot connector. ठीक है, you see already satisfy MySQL connector C program. So it means that we have but SQL connector is also installed. If it is not installed, then it will in the same fashion as we have upgrade pip command, it will same taking some process to downloading files for MySQL connector and install properly. So now we have to check the whether our MySQL connector is working properly or not. We are simply typing import mysql dot connector, type enter. So now what is the error? We have to first python, okay, be in cell. Now here we have to type import command, import mysql dot connector. Okay, in this way we can check that our MySQL connector is working fine. So now let us check in this in two different manners. I am exiting from here, enter. So I am closing. Now open your Python shell. We will discuss in line by line and check. So simply here type import but mysql dot connector. Connectors, enter. Fine, our MySQL connector is working properly. Now we will check through our Jupyter notebook. So it will take some time, so wait for a moment. So in this way we can check now how to establish connection between Python and MySQL. So we will try by using here I am using your now maybe our okay our now our Jupyter notebook is ready. So let us see how we can now open Python new file and simply type the command import mysql.connectors. So simply I am writing here import mysql.connector, press enter. Now run the program. Okay, working fine. Now I am using your Jupyter notebook, ESTABLSHI, establishing connection between Python and MySQL. So first step is import mysql dot connector, press enter. Now creating the object of this class, my dv is equal to my sql dot connector dot connect bracket. First we pass the host is equal to inverse comma localhost comma user is equal to inverse comma root, then comma password is equal to inverse comma admin